These kids' music videos are going absolutely viral right now, and honestly, I was shocked when I saw the views. Just take a look. 3.3 million views, 4 million views, 1.7 million views, all within just 1 week. And this channel has gained over 201 million views by uploading this exact style of content. For example, this video has over 2.6 million views, and assuming a $2 RPM, it has probably made around $8,000 from a single video. Now, you might think this style is outdated or doesn't work anymore, but look at this. A channel with just 75 videos has already gained 2.6 million subscribers, and every single upload pulls in hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions of views. And the best part is, making these videos is much easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you the simplest workflow to create viral AI kids music videos using just one AI creative tool. No Blender, no editing software, no tool switching, and you can start completely free. Tunee gives you 200 free credits just for signing up. No credit card needed. I'll show you exactly how at the end. Everything, from the song to the full cinematic music video, happens inside Tunee AI, and even complete beginners can follow this workflow. So to make that easier, our team created a simple Word file that includes everything, from video idea prompts all the way to character image generation. You can grab it from the description below. But before that, let's see what we're actually going to make.
Tiny piggy, here we go, to the muddy puddles low. Snort, snort, what a sight, splashing mud is such delight. Jump up high and stomp your feet, muddy play is super sweet. Tiny piggy sees the rain, drip drop dancing down the lane.
As you can see, this kid's music video looks incredible. The character, the story, and even the music all fit together perfectly, and I made it using AI tools. But you need to stay focused, because if you skip even one step, you won't get the same result. So watch until the end. So first, to make this kind of video, we need a video idea. Open the Word file I shared in the description. Copy the first prompt, the video idea generation prompt, and go to any chatbot. For this, I'm using ChatGPT. Paste the idea generation prompt there into Claude once do that. Then click enter. Within a few seconds, Chat gives us a 10 list of video ideas. Now that we have the video idea, let's make the lyrics. Go back to the Word file again and copy the second prompt, the lyrics generator prompt. Paste it into Chat again. Now add the video idea into the placeholder. For me, I'm using this one. Once you finish that, click enter. And within seconds, Chat creates perfect kids' music lyrics for us. Now that we have the lyrics, let's make the music. For this, I'm using Tunee AI, one of the most impressive AI tools for this type of content. I'll leave the link in the description. Once you open it, it takes you to this page. As you can see, with this tool, we can create music, music video clips, images, and full AI music videos all inside one platform, without switching between multiple tools. So first, let's make the music. Go back to Chat, copy the lyrics, paste them into Tunee AI, and click Start Cooking. Then Tunee AI asks a few questions, like energetic pop, acoustic folk, and other music styles. You can choose whatever fits your video, but for me, I selected all of them. Once that's done, Tunee AI starts generating the music. It takes a few minutes, and after that, we get different music versions based on our lyrics. Now listen to each one and choose the version you like most. I listened to all of them, and I chose this one. By the way, paid Tunee plans give you full commercial rights to the music you create, which is important if you want to monetize these videos on YouTube. To download it, hover over the track, click the three-dot menu, and choose Download. Now we have the music file. Next, let's turn this music into a video using Tunee AI. Go to the music you downloaded and hover over it. You'll see a small cinema icon. Click it. That takes us to this page. Now we have 3 options depending on what platform you want the video for: TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. For this tutorial, I want to make a YouTube video, so I choose YouTube Shorts. Next, choose the duration. I want to use the full music track, so I drag the selector all the way. Once that's done, click Next. Now it takes us to the video creation page. This step is important, so make sure you follow carefully. First, go to the menu and click on Video Model. After clicking, you'll see 4 options: One-Click MV, Freestyle MV, Motion Control, and Shorts. For this tutorial, we're going to choose the first option, One-Click MV. This option is perfect for beginners because the AI automatically creates the music video for you. It can sync the music, add transitions, generate scenes, and create animations automatically. So now, click One-Click MV to continue. Next, let's choose the model. As you can see, Tunee AI gives us several popular models. You can test different ones, but for this video, I'm using Cdance 2.0. Now we can also add the character. Click Character, scroll down, and click Create New Character. We have 3 options for creating a character. For this tutorial, I'm using Design from Scratch. Click Try Now.
First, choose the gender. I'm choosing female. Next, select the style. I'm using Pixar.
Then add some tags for the character and also some additional details. For this part, go back to chat and ask it to generate a character prompt based on the kid's music lyrics. For this, go to Word File and copy Character Prompt and paste in to chat. First, add the script in to Placeholder and click Generate. Chat will give you a strong character image prompt, so copy that prompt and paste it into Tunee AI. Then go to the bottom and choose the image model. As you can see, Tunee AI gives several image models like Nano, Banana Pro, GPT Image 2, Seedream 5.0, and more. For this tutorial, I'm using Nano Banana Pro. Once everything is ready, click Create. Within a minute, we get the character image, and honestly, the result looks incredible. Now click Select, and the character is automatically added. Now we finished all the main setup. Click Create. Tunee AI now starts turning the music into a video. Before the final generation, it asks a few questions. As you can see, we already have the character image. You can also add extra characters if you want. The video model is already selected. Next, choose the video resolution. I'm using full resolution for better quality. Then choose the image model, and finally choose the aspect ratio. Since I want this for a YouTube long-form video, I'm using 16:9, but you can choose a different format if you want. Once everything is ready, click Confirm. Now, Tunee AI automatically creates the full video structure for us, including music structure, lyrics, visual descriptions, scenes, and characters. And the cool part is, if you want more control, every step is fully editable. You can modify the creative concept, regenerate storyboard scenes, customize characters, edit individual shots, and even fine-tune lip sync for specific scenes. But for this tutorial, I'm keeping everything simple using the automated workflow. It handles everything for you automatically inside one workflow. Now, scroll down and click Continue. Next, Tunee AI starts generating the visuals for every scene. Once that process finishes, click Continue again. Now, Tunee AI creates the storyboard for each scene separately. This can take a little time depending on the music length and number of scenes. Once it finishes, click Final Video Process.
Before final rendering, Tunee AI gives you full freedom to edit every storyboard scene. Now, Tunee AI creates the storyboard for each scene separately. This can take a little time depending on the music length and the number of scenes. And the cool part is every scene here is fully editable. For example, if you want to change a shot, regenerate a scene, modify the visual style, customize the storyboard, you can do it directly from here. Just hover over any scene and you'll see edit, regenerate, and lip sync options for every shot. If I click the edit button on any scene, Tunee opens the full editing interface. Here you can edit the entire prompt, add additional reference images, adjust the scene instructions, maintain character consistency, and regenerate specific shots without recreating the entire video from scratch. So if there's a scene you don't like, you can quickly customize it and generate a new version within seconds. This gives you full creative control while still keeping the workflow extremely simple for beginners. But for this tutorial, I'm keeping everything simple using the automated workflow. Once everything looks good, click Final Video Process.
Before final rendering, it gives a few extra options. You can add subtitles if you want. For this tutorial, I'm choosing subtitles, then click Continue. Within a minute, Tunee AI creates the final video. Now the video is ready. Let's see the result.
Tiny piggy, here we go to the muddy puddles low. Snort, snort, what a sight. Splashing mud is such delight. Jump up high and stomp your feet. Muddy play is super sweet. Tiny piggy sees the rain. Drip drop dancing down the lane. Piggy runs with happy feet. Splashy puddles feel so neat. Splash, splash, mud flies high. Tiny piggy squeals, oh my. Round and round the puddles spin. Muddy spots on nose and chin. Piggy runs with happy feet. Splashy puddles feel so neat. Splash, splash, mud flies high. Tiny piggy squeals, oh my. Round and round the puddles spin. Muddy spots on nose and chin. Tiny piggy squeals, oh my. Splash, splash, mud flies high.
As you can see, the result looks incredible. You can make more videos like this with high quality music, strong visuals, and professional production, all with AI. Your viral kids music video is now completely ready to post. And yes, this kind of content can absolutely pull in millions of views. The audience is massive, the tools are available, and the full process is right here in front of you. All you need to do now is start. And remember, Tunee gives you 200 free credits when you sign up, plus 100 free credits every single day just for logging in. No credit card required. So you can start creating AI songs and music videos completely free. The link is in the description. If this video helped you, drop a like. Subscribe for more AI YouTube tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video.